Elise here at Healthy Foodie, and I want to give you an update on my experiences with Moon Balance. I've been using Moon Balance for a while now, and it's helped me so much. It's gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and it has all organic ingredients with no side effects. I love it because it helps me on an as-needed basis for night sweats, hot flashes, headaches, tiredness, and I just take it when I need to. I don't take it daily, but a lot of people do daily take it and just put it in a smoothie every day. I just use it out on an as-needed basis. But I highly recommend it. Your Superfoods has been great. They have great customer service. The products are great. I've used a lot of the different superfood powders, and I like them all. If you have any questions, please leave me a message, and I will respond back to you. And if you have any comments, I'd love to hear about them too, or experiences. Thanks, and have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions about Moon Balance.